Hello friends, welcome with Rcare Overseas Education. My name is Mani and today in this video you're going to see the list of the universities which are important for Latvia. These are the English Start program. Please make sure whenever you wanted to apply to any European Union, any European universities, you have to see the deadlines because there are two intakes. One is summer, one is winter. So all the universities along with their courses have the different deadlines. For summer they are different, for winter they are different. So we have segregated those universities along with the requirements and the deadlines. So if you want any assistance related to these universities or any assistance related to Germany, Europe, we would be very happy to help you out. Keep watching our YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.